In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create diet, exercise, and nutrition plans using ChatGPT AI in just a few simple steps. This is a fast and easy way to build a personalized plan for weight loss, fitness, or healthier eating without spending hours researching meal ideas and workout routines on your own. Whether you are a beginner, vegetarian, trying to lose weight, or just looking for a better daily structure, ChatGPT can help you generate a custom plan in seconds. If this video helps you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once it loads, you'll want to start with a clear prompt that gives the AI your basic details. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. For example, you can type, "Create a diet and workout plan for weight loss, age 25, beginner, vegetarian." That gives ChatGPT the key information it needs, such as your goal, your age, your experience level, and your food preference. This is important because a generic prompt usually gives a generic plan, but a detailed prompt gives you something much more useful and realistic. After you enter your first prompt, ChatGPT will usually give you a basic plan or ask follow-up questions. If it does, you can simply keep refining it. The next step is to ask for a complete structured plan. For example, type, "Give 7-day meal plan plus daily workout routine plus calories." This is where ChatGPT becomes even more helpful, because now you are asking for a full weekly breakdown instead of just a short summary. You can review the results and see what meals are suggested, what workouts are included, and how many calories are recommended each day. Now, if the plan needs to fit your lifestyle better, you can customize it with extra instructions. For example, you might say, "Add home workouts." That tells ChatGPT to remove gym-based exercises and focus on movements you can do at home with little or no equipment. This is perfect if you work out in your living room, bedroom, or outdoors. You can also say, "Include protein intake." That helps ChatGPT add more useful nutrition details, such as how much protein you should aim for each day and which foods can help you reach that target. You can keep building on the plan from there. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to make the meals cheaper, more high protein, higher fiber, low carb, or suitable for a specific calorie target. You can also ask it to format everything in a table, separate breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, or create a version for gym beginners and another for home workouts. The key is to keep prompting and refining until the plan matches your exact goal. One really useful tip is to always check the plan against your own needs. ChatGPT can create a strong starting point, but you should still make sure the calorie target, ingredients, and workout intensity make sense for you. If you have any health conditions, dietary restrictions, or injury concerns, it's always best to get professional advice before following a strict diet or exercise program. So, to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, enter your details, ask for a full 7-day meal and workout plan, then customize it with things like home workouts and protein intake. In just a few prompts, you can create a plan that feels much more personal and much easier to follow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.